I was very glad this morning that some of the commentators on TV said that. When they say that undocumented immigrants are going to get this money, it's a lie, plain and simple. It's a lie so lazy and so outlandish it's easy to rebut. But again, let me be clear. Undocumented people cannot and will not receive premium tax credit by law. The federal government does not fund federal health insurance for undocumented immigrants in Medicaid or Medicare, period, full stop. So they don't care. Why? Because they know the American people are on our side, and they know they're going to get angrier and angrier starting today when they see these health care bills. Listen to this poll. A Kaiser Family Foundation poll found a whopping 75% of Americans support extending the ACA premium tax credit, including 63% of Republicans. When our Republican Senate and House colleagues go around their communities, of course the House isn't even here this week, as I mentioned, they're going to hear it in the barbershops and the restaurants and the diners and at the Little Leagues and at the Veterans Halls, because it's so shocking people are going to be talking about it. They'll see. And we Democrats are going to be there relentlessly letting people know why it happened. Because our Republican colleagues did not want to help us out of this crisis. Instead, they wanted to give the dollars to billionaires. President Trump calls what the Democrats want radical. President Trump, it is not radical to say Americans deserve lower health care premiums. It is not radical to say we want to prevent the average American family from getting these huge increases, those on ACA $1,000 a month. When Democrats say we want to work with Republicans to lower premiums, to strengthen health care, all we are doing is reflecting what the American people already want. Nothing more, nothing less. They want us to sit down and negotiate something real that takes this huge, huge burden off their shoulders. And Donald Trump, instead of acting like an adult, he's the most immature president we have ever had. Instead of doing something to stop the health care crisis, is threatening to hurt countless hardworking Americans. Let me repeat the quote Donald Trump said yesterday. We can do things during the shutdown that are irreversible. They're bad for them and irreversible, like cutting vast numbers of people out, cutting things they like, cutting programs they like. Donald Trump says it loud and clear. That's one thing about him. He is using the American people as pawns, threatening pain on the country as blackmail. Well, that's not going to work. The American people, it's so easy to see through those tactics. They know this is the Trump shutdown. They know Republicans control the presidency, the Senate, and the House. And what is done during the shutdown will fall squarely on the Republicans' back. Donald Trump even says it. He says he is going to close down all these things people want. It's going to fall right on his back. The American people will know who's doing it, and he's going to have to recoil from it, just as they have done so many cuts already, even before October 1st. And they had to back off on many of them, some because of the courts, but some because of public outcry, such as the huge cutbacks they made in the VA. Well, Democrats' positions hasn't changed. We're willing, ready, and able to negotiate. We're ready to reopen the government today. We've made our position clear about how to move forward. Surely, we can come together and agree we need to fix health care, and that needs to happen now, as people are getting these incredible increases. And within a few weeks, they're going to have to say what new health care, if they'll even keep their health care or have to cut it back or do something else that hurts them because they don't have the money. If Republicans work with us and fix America's health care crisis, the shutdown could go away very quickly. And that's what Democrats want, to end this now, fix health care now. It's the right thing to do for the American people. We urge our Republican colleagues, we urge President Trump to take yes for an answer. Yield the floor.